What's going on, guys? I really don't actually have a video to post really much anymore, so I guess the best thing I can really do is get it started by using my phone to record clips throughout the day, and just to save me a little hassle time of like actually editing them. Because like right now I'm not in a position on YouTube or my own, I guess, popularity to go out, whip out like a vlogging camera, vlog, edit, and I'm just not on that level yet. So I guess how I want to start YouTube is just through the little feature where you can whip out your phone, start recording, and then edit it on your phone. That's how I'm going to start. And I know a ton of you will probably be like, "Oh, Taylor, like don't do that. Like put the time into it." But if I put the time into it, I won't be able to upload on a regular schedule. So this is going to have to do for now. So currently what I'm working on is the K24E head. I need to replace the intake manifold gasket that goes to the head and, excuse me, the throttle body gasket, because that head is donezo. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. This head is absolutely done. It wore all the way to the valve seats, as you can see right there, and there, and there, and there. So this head is completely done. No reusing that. Maybe the cam one day in the future. I don't know. Probably just gonna junk it, throw it away. So, ooh, valve cover. So I'm getting this thing all ready to go to put back on the car. I'm gonna see if I can get it hot tanked or whatever. But the valves, they look okay. They all open and close at the right time. They all seem to be seating really well. There's no wear on the where the spark plug goes, so it wasn't running lean. If anything, it was running rich. So that's what I'm going to do for now. I'm going to see if I can get all of this off.